Hi, Kristian Lorén here. We're about to start our casting and fitting for the runway show here at BVI Summer Sizzle. We're going to get started. You'll get to see a little behind the scenes of what we do, what I love to do, and I'm glad you're here to actually, so I can share that with you. So let's check it out. Hi, Kristian Lorén here. It's the day of the show. We're just getting ready backstage right now. We're steaming and prepping, getting everything ready for the girls so we can put on a fabulous show for you all.